Hello, Mother. This video is specifically for you and for anybody else who ever finds themselves in the same situation, having computer problems. First, I have to ask, because it's an unknown, you didn't include this in your email to me, what kind of security software have you been running on your computer? And number two, you can go to www.mcafee.com, and on free tools you can get an online scan that'll tell you if you have any infections. That's the first step we got to rule out, is whether you have Trojans, malware, rogue security. There's a lot of different stuff out there. I just call it all malware because none of it's good. At least not for us users at the end. And if you come back clean and you're getting the error on doing Service Pack 2, what I do is I go past Service Pack 2. I will go to see other recommended updates first, and I've always done that. I've always installed them in the order that they've been put out. I don't just jump like they want me to right to a certain service pack. That's another option you can consider. I'm hoping you see this video tonight. And here's what I would like for you to be able to do for both of us. Restart your computer. And when it starts to restart, just start tapping the F8 button. That should take you into a boot option where you can scroll up with your up and down arrow buttons over by your NumLock keypad, the 10 key function, and go up to safe mode with networking. When you go to safe mode in networking and you log on and everything, only the necessary software drivers are installed at that time. Nothing else. So you should by default be able to go to, and I'll put this in the sidebar in the little text comment box, is you want to go to http://onecare, just one word, onecare.live.com, and you'll want to look on the side for Safety Scanner. And when you see that, click on that. It'll take you to the page. You have to scroll down and say Full Service Scan. Have to accept the license agreement. Then it will want to install two tools. One is to launch the download of utilities you needed. The second one is going to be the 11 tools that the scan is done with. Usually the scan can fix a lot of errors. It even picks up some spyware, malware, Trojans, things like that. It's not as good as some premiums, but I've seen where it works better in some ways than premium, and vice versa, because no one security package can have it all except for maybe Viper, which I'm planning on checking out in the next couple of months when my security package is Fallout. I like to run more than one on different machines now due to my security concerns. Alright, and when you get there and you've done all the scans and everything, make sure there's a check mark in there for every error. Don't try to change anything. And when you get done with it, the repair, it'll have a window and it'll tell you how many it did not fix as well as how many it fixed. Take note of what it says it didn't fix. Then upload the results to Microsoft and then just restart your computer. At that point, I would go to Microsoft Update, go past Service Pack 2, and get all the other critical updates as well as recommended updates. Then once you've got all them done and there's nothing else to get, then do the Service Pack 2. But this first thing is kind of critical because you've had your computer up and running for quite a while. And if you like most people, you add and remove software. And that's where you get a lot of clutter and garbage in your registry. Your registry acts like an index in a book. So this will clean it up and should be able, you'll even see a significant improvement in performance response time if it's been quite a while since you've had your system serviced. Don't use third-party software right off the bat. I'm not going to take you down that road because a lot of companies, they just have the original information that Microsoft wants to throw out there when the Microsoft product first comes out. But they don't always include the updates and everything else to these companies, or there's a lag time. So a third-party vendor software might see something that's correct on your computer and want to correct it because it doesn't know any better. So that's why I say go for the Microsoft FreeScan first. Remember, restart your computer, hit the F8 key to take you into safe mode. And if that isn't the key that works, try, on some systems it's F2. Usually you want to go into BIOS. Do not go there. Please, mother, do not go to your BIOS. If you see that you've gone there by mistake, hit the escape key or Control-Alt-Delete and reboot. Don't change anything there. This is very critical. Only a person that really knows what they're doing should be in your BIOS. So get out of it if you find yourself there. Again, F8 or the F2 on some computers, and even like compacts. I think one time it was F12 was to get into boot options. So those are the three keys. First, I would try F8, and then safe mode with networking. And another thing I can do is once you've gone into safe mode, you don't have to do the networking one yet. You can just go to safe mode with command prompt. Once you log on, you'll have that big black screen. You just type in CHKDSK space /F, enter. Say, can't do it now. Do you want to schedule it for next time? You say yes. So the next time your computer starts, it'll go into a test and it will fix a lot of the errors it finds. Don't stop it, just let it run. Then it will reboot and come back up again. So those are some of the tools, some of your options you have available. And as I wrote you in my note, if you have any troubles, I don't care when it is, just give me a call. If I have appointments, we can work around that. I'm going to be here all day tomorrow. I only just have to go out because I'm still fighting trying to quit smoking cigarettes. I just have to get a few of those. But other than that, you can call me tomorrow if this doesn't work. Again, F8 safe mode with networking. Go to http://onecare.live.com full system scan. Okay, now I'll write down the information in, like I said, in the little box on the side there. And if you have any questions, even if it's tonight, I'm going to be up for a little bit yet, so just give me a call, okay? I just hope I can help you, Mother. I know I can get you up running without doing a restore. I just need a little information from you first. Other than that, we're looking good. You don't have to lose all your stuff. And I'm going to end this now so I can get this out to you.